What is the Convention Against Torture for Asylum Status? Imagine facing the threat of severe harm just because of who you are or where you come from. That is the reality for many people around the world. In the United States, there are protections in place for those at risk of torture. One of these protections is called the Convention Against Torture. It is a treaty that the United States has agreed to follow. It helps people who might be tortured if they are sent back to their home country. The Convention Against Torture, or CAT, is different from regular asylum. While asylum can lead to permanent residence or citizenship, CAT mainly stops someone from being sent back to a place where they could be tortured. To qualify under CAT, a person must show there is more than a 50% chance they would face torture if returned. Torture means intense physical or mental pain inflicted intentionally, often for punishment or intimidation. Protection under CAT is mainly for those who cannot qualify for asylum or withholding of removal. It is used when someone faces a high risk of torture by government officials or when the government ignores or allows torture by others. For example, if a person is targeted because of their race, ethnicity, political beliefs, or social group, and the government is involved or indifferent, they might qualify for CAT protection. This protection is especially important for Black immigrants who face violence or persecution based on their identity or heritage. It recognizes that some people face dangers that asylum law might not fully cover. While it does not give a path to becoming a permanent resident or citizen, it offers a way to stay safe from the risk of torture. Applying for CAT protection involves providing detailed evidence. The person must prove that torture is likely and that it would be carried out by government officials or with their approval. This can be a tough process, but it is a vital legal option for those fleeing extreme human rights abuses. For many Black immigrants, this protection can be a lifeline when other forms of relief are not available. It highlights the importance of having legal avenues that acknowledge the specific risks faced because of their background and circumstances.